There are some English words that look the same or sound the same and can be quite confusing. So on today's English lesson, I want to quickly teach you how not to be confused over some English words. Well, hello, all of my students. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Jay. I hope you're ready for a little learning and laughter. Let's dive into today's lesson. So the first word I want to teach you to help you not to be confused is affect. Say that with me, affect. Now, the word affect means to influence something. So you may say the rain will affect today's baseball game. Or you might say your cooking is good, but the ketchup will probably affect my stomach. Okay, so affect is to influence. Effect has to do with the result of something. All right. So you might say the floods had a devastating effect on the community. Okay. Your dirty socks affected how the room smelled. Okay. Let's look at another one. Principle. Okay. Principle has to do with a rule. Okay. I have standards and principles for my life. Okay. One principle I have is to save money that I earn. But on the other hand, principle has to do with the head of the school. So you might say Jay would not make a good school principal. Or you might say, I really like Miss Kelly. She's a great principal at the local high school. Okay. Desert. Okay. A dry place. What would you rather have in a desert? A cup of water or an airplane? Okay. The water would keep me from dying of thirst. The airplane could get me to another location, but I can't fly an airplane, so I'm stuck. Desert. Now, dessert, okay, that has to do with, how can I say it, a sweet dish. Someone made me a nice cake for dessert. Or last night, my wife and I had a Mrs. Smith apple pie topped with some vanilla ice cream for dessert. Okay. This one is funny. Loose, okay, means not tight. My jacket is loose. It's not tight. Okay. But you also may say, can you loose me? I don't want you holding me so tight. Loose. All right. Lose with one O is to, how can I say it? Not to win. Okay. Or to misplace something. Okay. To lose. The Atlanta Falcons lose again. The Dallas Cowboys lose again. Okay, so loose is not tight. Lose is to not win or to misplace. Man, I need to do better. I keep losing my keys. All right. Borrow. Borrow means to take from someone. Jay, can I borrow your car? And I would say, no. Okay. Can I take your car? Can I use your car? Okay. To lend is to give something to someone. The bank lended me money. Okay. My wife lended me $10 and she wants her money back by the end of the night. Okay. So to borrow is to give, and to lend is to borrow is to take, and to lend is to give. All right, let's wind it down. Accept. Accept is to agree. I accept your apology. Okay. But another word is accept. Okay. Accept is to exclude. All right. So bring me all the fruits you see at the store except cantaloupe. All right. To exclude. We rode all of the rides at Six Flags except the roller coasters. Okay. So these are some words that I want you to practice because they can be a little confusing. All right. Affect, effect, principle, principle, desert, dessert, loose, lose, borrow, lend, and accept and accept. Okay. So as always, make sure you go back, practice. I speak slowly so you can follow along and comprehend. All right. If you want to add some to my list, just put them down in the comments section. Well, with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's English lesson. If it has been a help to you, be sure to share it with a friend. And like I always say, I hope you join me on my next English lesson. I'll see you then.